The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Robin County Police Department, the Nottingham Sheriff's Office, and the Super SWAT Boys. This is a law enforcement warning. At this time, Dr. Inferno and his accomplices have been spotted roaming the streets in a giant robot with a magnet attached to it. He apparently used this robot he made to attack a bank and steal an entire bank vault with the magnet he had welded into his robot. After he had successfully stolen the bank vault, he fled the scene, leaving a path of destruction behind. There had been reported of multiple victims injured at the drastic crime scene. As if now, he is currently trying to make his escape and is heading down Highway 92. The Super SWAT Boys, Charlie, Chase, Chestnut and Chet Knight, as well as multiple units from the Robin County Police, are in hot pursuit of the villain. Anyone currently traveling on Highway 92, exit the freeway immediately. This situation is extremely dangerous. The Super SWAT Boys and the Robin County Police Department are doing the best they can to stop the supervillain in his tracks before he causes any casualties or any more damage. Again, exit Highway 92 and stay off the highways until further notice. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.